You said she's bigger than you? Is that correct?
Absolutely.
How do you know that?
I mean, look.
What was that?
I said, that's a fucking lie. Fuck out of here. She's trying to get some money.
Who's trying to get some money?
She is.
How do you know that?
Because she sued me for $24 million.
Did you sue her?
What? What was that?
Are you disabled? Yes or no?
At that moment, when you're pregnant,
I'm very disabled.
you want me to tell you the things I can't do?
Fine.
I was like on a high level of angry. I was more on a high level of concern. Very concerned.
And why were you concerned?
Because I'm pregnant and this girl's about to beat my ass. Hello?
Hello. Hello. Here.
I mean, I was 130 pounds at that time.
So she's overweight, right? In your opinion.
Wow.
Objection, relative.
She's a little...
You don't need to answer me.
I think you're fat. Yeah. It's just my opinion. I'm not bullying you. I'm just giving you I think you're ugly. I think you're fat. I think you're stupid.
Did you call her fat?
No, I was calling her a bitch. But she was practically my height. But she is like...
What? Say it.
security heavy.
What does security heavy mean? Just tell us. No harm. What does that mean?
Like, she just looks a little
She could protect the building.
type big. You know what I'm saying? She just
Right.
looked more developed than me.
And aren't security guards to be more developed than you?
See, I don't like her because she felt.
You said she's bigger than you? Is that correct?
Absolutely.
How do you know that?
I mean, look.
Did you look at Miss Imani Ellis's face when you were arguing with her at the time of the incident?
I was looking at her face, but I wasn't looking like... She got a pimple on her? I said, get the out of my face. Why are you in my face? Why are you recording me? Aren't you supposed to be security?
Tell it to her now. Go ahead.
Huh?
Say it again. Say it.
Objection, Your Honor.
You want me to say it to
I
her
want
face?
you to tell it to her face what you said on that day so she can hear it for herself.
Objection is sustained.
It's crazy because you just told me that no. You just told me y'all didn't take no calls. Now you telling me the police told you to.
I just told you what I told you.
Bitch, I will beat your fucking ass when I'm.
Is that a hamburger bun with a hamburger?
Yeah.
She was the hamburger, and the two of you were the buns, correct?
Yeah.
How did the hamburger get inside the bun?
I'm not sure.
On the date of the incident, did you have black hair, blonde hair, or different color hair?
It is weird, and you look weird, okay? I'm just gonna leave that there.
Yesterday you had black hair, short hair. Today it's blonde and long. Which one is your real hair? Or are they both real?
You cannot be for real.
They're wigs.
Okay, sorry, I didn't know that.